This project completely broke me, but before that, let's go to the beginning. April 12th, 2023. That was the beginning of what's going to be really popular anime. Oshi no Ko. Amazing story, amazing visuals, and very interesting looking characters. Everyone got captivated by a new style of drawing eyes. And because of that, many people made fan art. And I had to try too. And of course I had to choose the star of the show eye. I got the main image, some of the figurines that are already made, some for hair, eyes. Yeah, not much reference this time. For modeling the character, I will be using sculpting tool Zbrush.
A whole lot better.
After weeks of work, I'm finally done with the body. Now, just need to make clothing. I was practicing quite a lot to make folds, so I made quite a few iterations. This was one of them, this is the second one, and then this is much less strong, but I think I end up using something like this. This is how the model looked finished in Blender. And if you watched the beginning, you probably are wondering, what did I mean? This project completely broke me. And yes, I always say, this is the last time I'm making animation, but seems like I never learned from this mistake. So I went ahead and created all the bones, extra bones for adding some physics, fixed all the deformation errors, and chose to do the dance from the anime. And it had to be extra easy because on the main YouTube channel of the show, there is a full dance from the professionals. And if you don't know anything about animation, copying moves from the video, it's pretty easy, or it's supposed to be.
Fellow gentlemen, small and subtle. Don't need to be in any sort of trouble. No, no. Can we stay civilized in these fragile times? Got no worries, cause I know that we can endure the aftermath. Just gotta stay classy, even when the focus is.
And you're probably confused what's wrong with it. But before that, let me show you a few things. I made this cool scene.
Watching from the stars, Apollo, get the bed on my system, just wanna let you know. I can be
added a lot of lights, made them movable, and animated a whole light moving sequence. And now prepare to be astonished. There are really two main problems with this project. First would be the lights. Lights are the most important thing to make your model look great. And of course the last one would be animation. I know I'm definitely not a good animator. So if you're a good animator and you want to help me with the projects, feel free to contact me. I hope you had fun and see you in the next one.